Apache Junction Garage Door offers a variety of services for garage doors, including garage door installations, sales, repairs, and servicing. We provide a same-day service 24 hours in Apache Junction and surrounding area. We work around the clock to ensure that you get the best services for the best price. No matter what type of garage door or garage door brand you own, we can repair it or replace it. If you are looking for a garage door installer, call us now to better assist you. We are your licensed Apache Junction Garage Door Company. Do not hesitate, call now to 602-325-6836 and we will be happy to help you.